Are you new to affiliate marketing? And are you curious about how to get started, what programs to use, how to create funnels, email marketing, etc.? Well, I'm going to talk about just that in this video, so stay tuned. All right, guys, today we're going to be talking about how beginners in the affiliate marketing, digital marketing, internet marketing space can hit the ground running using this platform that I'm going to be talking about today. As always, if you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you like the content today, hit that like button. Give me some comments. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. And if you have any questions at the end about this content, please put them in the comments below and I will reply. If you have any interest in this product, there will be a link in the description at the very top for this program. All right, let's get on with today's video. Today we're talking to beginners in affiliate marketing, digital marketing, internet space, and the things they need to hit the ground running. I know people always say you can do this for free, for nothing, for that, for this, but you got to have a domain, you got to have an autoresponder, and you got to have a sales funnel builder. Period. Point blank. Period. That's what you need. You need these things. You need the platforms to run these. That's final. That's going to cost you money if you want to be a real internet marketer. Period. All right. This platform is an all-in-one, gives you everything you need, allows you to build your business online, creates websites, stores, blogs, sales funnels, allows you to track customers with your funnels, allows you to manage your emails with a autoresponder that's built in called Mailboss, automates your processes, and allows you to grow your business as a marketer, allows you to become an affiliate marketer of this for this program as well. So not only can you use this program to market other niches and other products and services, use it to use it as a product that you can sell to small businesses like flower shops and doctors and lawyers or mechanics, HVAC people, plumbers, electricians, whoever it is, real estate agents. This product is very powerful as a marketer. It's not only going to give you all this stuff to use, it's going to teach you how to use that and how to become a marketer. So this is a very inexpensive, at $49 a month, system that's going to get you into the affiliate marketing, digital marketing space and very well train you. I would say in 90 days, if you gave this 90 days, you'd be a very well-grounded affiliate internet digital marketer. All right. What is Builderall? If you have seen any of my videos, you're probably already aware of what Builderall is. But if you haven't, then this is a very powerful system, right? You can use it to build your websites, your stores, your link it to Facebook pixels, email marketing, automation, funnels, webinars, Facebook Messenger chatbots, education, training. So you can build your own training platform that you can sell or give to other people. It's amazing, right? So say I wanted to create a course that other people wanted to, that I of something that I know, and I can build a course, a digital course, and sell it to people or give it away for free to my team members or whatever I want to do, right? So anybody that comes in underneath me will get a free training that teaches you email marketing and sales and the whole affiliate marketing, a pretty large course for that. Not only that, Builderall right now is doing a 90-day challenge. So if you come in today, you will actually join Builderall, join a 90-day challenge, and at the end of that 90 days, if you follow all the steps, you'll be making about $2,000 to $4,000 a month if you put in the work and really want to become a digital affiliated marketer. All right. So that's pretty powerful. You could say, okay, I'm going to give this thing 90 days. I'm going to go all in. I'm going to put my all in this. And at the end of that $150 spent, you're bringing in $2,000 a month. Even if you're bringing in $1,000 a month after that, that's massive. And not only are you going to come out of that making some income, you're going to come out of that as a fully well-versed affiliate marketer that's ready to run into other products like high ticket marketing or stuff like that, right? So you can see all these different things. Right here, this is worth $20 a month right here. Copywriting scripting tool. Anybody that is new to affiliate marketing, you got to learn how to copyright. You got to learn how to write to your general audience, right? You got to write emails, you got to write posts, you got to write ad copy, and you got to be able to do that stuff. This will help you do that. It's like a wizard for copywriting, right? It'll ask you a few questions, you fill in the blanks, it'll give you the text for your email or your post. You may have to go in and edit it a little bit, but it'll actually get it ready for you and help you understand how to copyright. That's pretty massive right there. People sell these for $50 all day long. Social proof tools, sales funnels that are already built. They have templates, and I'll show you that here in a minute. Large business community. You can link this with, you can integrate this with ClickBank, JVZoo, and all kinds of other product affiliate product systems, platforms, may I say. So this product's awesome. I mean, at very least, if you just wanted to build a website, it's $9.90 a month. This is probably not used very much. This would be if you were going around and you wanted to sell it to somebody that was just looking to, like a florist shop that was just looking to, build a landing page and a website that would allow them to gather email addresses so they can market to over and over and over every month, sending out specials, etc. Then this would be the system for them. If you're an affiliate marketer or a digital internet marketer, this is the platform that you want. It gives you all the above that I just talked about, and it allows you to earn an income with their system. Their system pays out a 2-tier commissions. Your first month, everything you sell, anything somebody buys, the first month you get 100% commission on. So the first time somebody buys something from you, you get 100% commission. After that, it's 30%. And anytime somebody buys something from them underneath you, it goes down 2 tiers. You get 30% of what they also sell. All right. So that's pretty cool. And that's Builderall in a box. So let's go over here to the back office. I just wanted to give you guys, I know if you can go through my other videos and you can see all this, but I just want to go through the business real quick. I'm starting right here in the money making funnels. Right off the bat, when you get signed in here, it's gonna take you to this quick start page. So right off the top, it's gonna take you into this page. So when you come into Builderall, you're gonna get dropped right here. And what he's doing is trying to get you started so you can start making money immediately, right? So they tell you, okay, if you have a domain connected here, this is how you do it. You'll get a little pop-up that says how you need to connect it. You need to change your DNS name. You need to point your DNS servers, your name servers, to theirs so you can use it on their system. If you don't have a domain, it allows you to buy it right here. I think you buy them from GoDaddy or something like that. And then once you buy that, it takes about 30 minutes to propagate across the web so your domain name is searchable. Once that's done, you'll see your domain name pop into these. These are all funnels already built with your domain name in them. All right. Then he tells you how to, here's some videos that you can use to post on Facebook or whatnot. They already give you the videos and everything. You can reshoot these as yourself, or you can just use them as is as ads on Facebook. And when you do an ad on Facebook, if you're interested about doing ads on Facebook, this right here will tell you exactly how to do that. So you could take a video, make an ad out of it, post it on Facebook, do an ad, drive traffic to your funnel, and try to get somebody in there that easy. All right. There's free methods also, all kinds of stuff on how to get people to get traffic to your product. And I'll be talking more about that stuff too in videos in the near future. So that's just how you would come in starting. And they right off the bat, they're teaching you stuff, right? They're teaching you stuff within an hour. You already know how to do solo ads. You'll know how to Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. I would recommend, if you do are interested in buying solo ads, you watch my video on Udemy. If you don't have an account, I have a link in there, tells you exactly how to get good solid vendors out of Udemy. All right, so if you do watch this and you want to drive traffic, paid traffic to your link, then I'd recommend you watch my video on that. I'll link that at the end of this video. But right here, this is pretty cool. They got a 30-day business builder. So basically what this is 30 days of posts that you can use. You can just copy and paste this right into Facebook or your email or whatever, right? And share this out. Tells you where to put your link. Boom. Recently I started working with Builderall. Bam, bam, bam. And it does it all for you for 30 days. It's pretty simple, right? And what this is doing is it's teaching you, if you do copy and paste this, copy it, look at it a little bit, maybe tweak it to personalize it for yourself. And what this is doing is it's teaching you copy. It's teaching you how to place an ad on Facebook, what your image should look like, right? Maybe find a fancy image and put some text in it. And this is the kind of stuff. So what this is doing is teaching you as you're posting it. So just don't go in there blindly and just copy paste post and then not learn anything. Use this as a learning tool, right? Daily 365. So Daily 365, they have consistent all kinds of stuff in here, right? They got email swipes. Of course, my computer's acting slow. So they got email swipes, they got motivational quotes, video promotions, blog articles, testimonials, everything that you can just download and use. All right. It's an email swipe. If you don't know what an email swipe is, it's a pre-written email that you can just put in your autoresponder and Mailing Boss, send out to your list. Whenever somebody hits your landing page, off they go. I have videos that will teach you how, and I'll link all my Builderall videos at the end of this. But you have a video that'll teach you how to set up Mailing Boss, how to build a sales funnel. Those two things right there are powerful, and you could just use this email swipe. And guys, if you do come under me, I'll give you you'll get some free email swipes. Actually, you'll get free email swipes for 90 days for that 90-day challenge. That's pretty awesome right there. I'm going to go ahead and show you this. So when you come into Builderall, right now they're doing a 90-day challenge. This just started, I think yesterday or the day before. So this will go through and give you pretty much 90 days, right? What this is doing is it's trying to get you to the point where you're making sales. So after you make your first 3 sales, you go on to the next lessons. So they're hoping that by day 15, you'll already be at 3 sales. So if you go through this training, you can see what this training's showing you, right? Showing you some very powerful stuff, and it's going to teach you all this stuff right off the top. It's going to teach you how to navigate your links and ways to promote using Facebook, using YouTube, and how to use keyword research. I mean, this is powerful, guys. This is really good training. People pay for this. You're going to get it for absolutely free just for being part of the Builderall community. They got weekly webinars, Mailing Boss. So Mailing Boss is their autoresponder, and this is pretty cool. You can launch the autoresponder here. You can design video presentations, video editing, build mobile apps. So if you're looking to build a app for your mobile phone, this has a platform that allows you to build your app without learning to code. So say I wanted to build an app to put on the App Store to sell for 99 cents. you can use this tool. That's how awesome this freaking platform is, man. Facebook chatbots, auto posting, e-learning system where you can build your own learning platform. Guys, this has its own marketplace. This is where you build your own websites, sales funnels. Go in here, I'll show you the list of sales funnels they have. So guys, look, right here, you can see, you know what, I want to pick bridge funnel. So you select this template. Within each one of these templates is several different funnels. It's going to teach you, oh, what is a bridge? What's a bridge funnel? It's going to show you a tutorial of what a bridge funnel is. Okay, you drive traffic to a squeeze page goes to the bridge page is where you introduce yourself and tell your audience what to expect at the sales page, and this is going to be your sales page where they actually buy. If they don't buy on that, they're going to get emails, direct them straight back to this sales page. That is a funnel blueprint right there. All right, here's a funnel for that. Guys, I mean, this is very, very good stuff, right? I mean, very awesome stuff. And all these are just pre-built for you. All right. So what I wish for you is that you take massive action. You click the link below, you join Builderall, and you learn marketing. You learn digital marketing and internet marketing. You learn how to become an affiliate marketer by marketing their system, this is a low ticket offer. And why I say low ticket, because it's only $49 a month, right? But it'll get you that knowledge to where you can start branching out and start driving traffic to high ticket items, right? And that's where you want to be at. That's where you're going to make the really big money as an affiliate marketer or digital internet marketer. All right. So this platform is going to allow you to get that knowledge, get that base, and have an all-in-one platform that you, after you learn all that and have that knowledge, you have this platform that you can use to promote other products. All right. Again, if this is the first time you've been to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Give me some comments. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. And if you have any questions about this content or about Builderall, please post them in the comments below and I will reply. Again, guys, peace out, and I'll see you on the next video.